Okay, so here's a quick look at how much was it, Riley? $287 worth of groceries is buying at the moment from Aldi in Australia. So not all of these are super essentials. Obviously you can see Pepsi, that's not an essential, and there's like ice creams and treats, but generally this is, you know, what we would buy to go through a week. Some things will last longer than a week, so I'll just run through it quickly, just going left to right. So there is a big 3 kilo bulk bag of potatoes up the back, some olive oil, 2 of these washing detergent, some bin liners, some disinfectant wipes. I got one of these because we are without a dishwasher, so we don't know a lot of, well, I'm doing a lot of hand washing of dishes. This is some butter, some raw prawns that you can just cook into loads of different recipes. I make these all the time, mostly in pasta, and they are great to have on hand in the freezer for a really quick and easy meal. Some chocolate mousse, some yogurts, a big tub of yogurt, some frozen salmon portions, a 2 litre of vanilla yogurt, jasmine rice, 2 things of macaroni, 2 things of pasta bow ties to make a couple of different meals that we've got planned this week, some mac and cheese, which is one of Riley's favourite go-to snacks that he can do himself, mayo, we've got a couple of recipes, and just for school lunches and things. These are some sliced pink lady apples, a 4-pack of baked beans, some tomatoes, some sweet and sour cucumbers, apple cider vinegar, 2 big cans of tuna in oil, 2 different pasta sauce bases. This one would be probably for like with the prawns and pasta, something like that. This one I'll use with the beef to make like a bolognese sauce base. This is for a slow cooked chicken recipe, black chia seeds for some chia puddings, some cheese slices, back to school, shredded cheese, and for the meat we've got some beef mince, some pork fillets. I'm going to use this to make some slow cooked like pulled pork, some chicken thigh fillets, ham off the bone. Then we've got some little individual ice creams. These have been out of stock in Aldi for so long, and this is the first time I've seen them in months. These are for Jake. I will have either explained why, or I will after this, why there's a lot of a certain type of food. There's some 2 fruits in jelly, and then peaches in jelly, some soup in a cup. There were no like cans of soup. I don't know if it's because it's not winter, it's still the middle of summer here, but this was all I could find for soups, and some bake at home muffin base, a 2 litre of milk, 2 of the Aldi Nespresso coffee capsules, some chicken breast tenders for Riley for a meal option, and then as I mentioned there's a thing of Pepsi cans, and for fruit and veg there is just a kilo of carrots, some brown and red onions, lemon, a big net of avocados, sweet potatoes, some mushrooms, zucchini, some bananas, and some strawberries, and all that all up $287. So the grocery bill is definitely increased by a good, I'd say $100 a week. And I mean, like I said, this is much more than a week's worth. This will last longer than a week, but these are only 97 cents each. This will last a good few weeks in the freezer, but everything else, it's like a week's worth. And this isn't even everything that we need to get. We need to get some stuff that you can't buy from Aldi, so there's going to be that on top of it as well. So feeling the pinch at the grocery checkout.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, getting at me. Take me back, all the way back to them days, running around Winter's on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Now that the groceries have been unpacked, the pantry has been restocked, the fridge has been restocked, cleaned and organized. And let me tell you, my fridge has not been organized since we moved into this place. It's kind of been a mess, and I am so glad that I finally took the time to put it in order. If you have been putting off cleaning your fridge, or it's just been something that you haven't gotten around to doing, this is your sign to do it. Just do it. It makes a world of difference. Anyway, I then got stuck in with some basic meal prep. These are my two go-to meal prep dishes: a basic beef bolognese base and a slow cooked chicken base. From these two bases, we can make tons of different meals, and this was for the week that we were heading back to school. So it was so important with going back to school and with me working 3 days a week in the office. It's so critical to have those meal plans done and dusted, ready for the week, so it just takes that stress and pressure off. 100% recommend, if you don't meal plan and meal prep, at least the basics of your meals. Just try it. It is honestly life-changing. Oh, and I mentioned earlier in the video, there was a certain type of food that we had a lot of in this grocery haul. It was soft and cold food, because Jake, he's had braces for 6 months or so, but the last time he went, he got a really tight set of wires and he got springs on, so he has really sore teeth at the moment. So there's a lot of cold and soft food for him to eat. Anyway guys, that about wraps it up for today's grocery haul, pantry restock, fridge restock, a bit of meal plan and prep with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hang out and watch a few more videos. I'll leave some linked in the description below that I think you'll enjoy. More meal prep, more meal planning. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.